Hey everybody, how's it going? Philip here, P5 Academy, out of my homeland, Barangay Botong, Iloilo, Visayas, Philippines. It's been a few years since I gave a tour of the farm complex, so we're going to do that right now. It's been expanded. Since my dad retired and moved out here, he's expanded the farm a lot, and they're currently doing work on it, so let's take a look around. Here's the gate to the complex. Here's our lovely road. Here's the house. Look at this brand new covering that was built. Got the cool house here made just for the kids. More living residences here on the property. Got the bikes, work trucks. Here's some stuff that's taken a long time. Yeah, all of this was installed to give full plumbing to the entire facility. So we actually have bathrooms and toilets that flush and showers, which is very rare out here, including hot water, which not even my hotels usually have. You can see some fresh coconuts down there. Yeah. Let's take a walk to the other side. Extensions on the house. Look at that. Big extensions on the house. Young plants. Nice coconuts right there. Look at those. Yeah. Okay, let's head back around. Little washer and dryers over there. Even though, let's be honest, a lot of it is still washed by hand. Hey kitties, anything to say to our viewers? You know those little chicks across the street over there? Here's the new coverings that were made. They put these up pretty much just so that we can have parties out here all the time. So last time I was here for Fiesta, there was dozens and dozens of people here. Here's also something new. Look at this. Paved parking lot. So when people come in for the large gatherings, we have this large paved spot. All this land here is part of our family complex. All of that land that you can see, pretty much as far as you can see in this video, is part of our family complex, including those animals and the cows up there on the field. We've got a crew in right now building a new complex. So they're over here putting in some hard work. Look at these gentlemen, hard working gentlemen right here, helping out the farm. Good looking fellas, getting that work done. Yep, so this will be a brand new complex down here, nice facility. It's looking good, looking real good. Afternoon, gentlemen. Everything's going good? All right. Back entrance. All right, well, that's most of the farm. Obviously, again, all the property across the street is ours as well. Literally as far as the eye can see. Probably dozens and dozens and dozens of acres. It just goes back really far. I don't go over there often though because I don't like trekking through the jungle with shorts and sandals on, because there are a substantial amount of venomous and poisonous animals that live in the Philippines. So here's the chill spot where I like to spend most of my time with my dad. And that concludes the tour 2024. Thanks for joining me. Pinoy Pride. We'll see you guys back in the States.